In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a conversion ID and conversion label in Google Ads. This process is essential for tracking the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and optimizing your ad spend effectively. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button to access your account. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as we'll be navigating through a few features here. Next, locate the Goals section on this page and click on it. This is where you can manage all of your conversion actions, which are pivotal in helping you measure the success of your campaigns. Once inside the Goals section, you'll want to click on New Conversion Action. This step is about setting up a new tracking system for an action that you consider a conversion. This could be a purchase, a form submission, or any other action that's valuable to your business. After that, you'll need to click on Start Tracking. This step will prompt you to begin the setup process for tracking the conversion you're interested in. You will then type in the domain of your website. This domain should be the one where the conversion action occurs, ensuring accurate tracking data is collected. Once you've input your domain, click on the Scan button. Scanning allows Google Ads to find the pages and related actions on your website that can be tracked, streamlining the process considerably. Moving on, you'll need to click on Conversion Goal. A conversion goal helps define what successful customer interactions look like for your business. Then you'll want to click on Add a Conversion. Here, you will enter essential details to set up the conversion action accurately. Type the name for the conversion. This should be descriptive enough to help you recognize it later, especially when you're managing multiple conversion actions. After entering the name, click on Done to save your input. But we're not finished yet. You'll then need to click on Save to ensure all the setup details are stored in your Google Ads account. The process almost concludes here with the option to click on Use Google Tag Manager. This tool is incredibly efficient for deploying and updating measurement tags on your website. By using Google Tag Manager, you can easily implement tags without the need to edit your website code manually. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive way to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to collecting valuable insights that can significantly refine your advertising strategies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital marketing efforts.